Welcome to our Advanced Copilot at Work series. This is part 1 of 30, where we explore how to supercharge your productivity. Copilot is more than just a smart assistant. Learn to unlock its true potential for complex business challenges. We'll take you beyond the basic features and show you how to leverage customization, enterprise integration, and advanced automation. This 30-part series will cover everything from advanced prompt engineering to complex workflow automation. First up, we'll dive into advanced prompt engineering techniques to get more precise and valuable outputs from Copilot. Learn how to use system roles to give Copilot specific personalities and context, significantly improving response relevance and quality. Discover the power of chaining prompts together to handle multi-step tasks and complex logic, leading to coherent, sequential outputs. Next, let's explore how to integrate Copilot with your valuable enterprise data for deeply contextualized insights. Connect Copilot directly to your internal documents and knowledge bases, turning it into a powerful, company-specific resource. Implement customized search and analysis capabilities, transforming raw data into actionable insights instantly. Automation is key to efficiency. See how Copilot can take over repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for strategic work. Use Copilot to generate standardized reports and documentation, drastically reducing manual effort and ensuring consistency. Build complex multi-step workflows with Copilot, automating entire business processes from start to finish. That wraps up part 1. We've only scratched the surface of advanced Copilot capabilities. Remember, advanced prompting, enterprise data integration, and task automation are your keys to unlocking Copilot's full power. Join us for part 2, where we'll dive even deeper into powerful generative AI features and specialized applications for Copilot.